be wondering why it's a waste of time and your money on making self-care products when you just come to the store and buy what's already there. Let me break it down for you.
Welcome to Plastic Warriors Try,
Where we're trying
Zero Waste Living.
Plastic
Warriors!
Plastic
Warriors!
Hi, I'm Coco,
And I'm Khalees.
and welcome to Plastic Warriors Try, where we challenge the barriers of what it's like to live zero waste on an island.
On today's episode, we'll be trying different homemade and all-natural self-care products.
Big bad companies are putting harmful chemicals in our self-care products like sulfates, aluminum, and phthalates. All you need to know about these big words is that they mean no good. These chemicals can cause cancer, hormone increases and decreases, and other harmful side effects. Truth is, these companies don't care about our health. All they care about is the money.
The worst part is, this is legal. The FDA has no tight restrictions on what these companies put in these self-care products. In fact, they have no obligation to tell us what's in the product.
So, basically we're putting unknown chemicals on our face and the government isn't doing a thing about it. Do you know what's in that face wash or the shampoo on your shelf? Honestly, me neither. You know, many companies put aluminum in the deodorant, which has been linked to cause breast cancer.
Well, do you know the chemicals they put in the toothpaste can weaken your gum over time?
Until we demand governmental action on what they put into our products.
The safest bet is to buy all-natural products or make them yourself.
Luckily, that's what we're here to do.
Today, we'll be introducing you to a few self-care products you can make at home. First, we will start with body scrubs. We want to introduce our special guest, Kaylee Johnson.
Hi, my name is Kaylee, and I am the CEO of Boston Beauty Club. My company offers body scrubs, body oils, and homemade soap.
Please pause video if needed.
So first, you could pour your sugar. Then you pour your coconut oil. Then you can pour your hemp seed oil. And you could choose which essential oil you will put in it. Just saying.
This is the scrub we made earlier. I'm going to try it out right now. We're going to rub it in for a few seconds or a minute. Wipe it off. And I'm going to give my friends my two hands to see which one is softer.
I think the difference is just the oil, but it is softer though.
And it smells really good. We have a few more products to make, but we would just like to thank Miss Kaylee for coming here and helping us in making our body scrubs.
Now that we have finished the body scrubs, we can move on to the deodorants.
I will now be trying the deodorant. I'll be right back with my honest feedback. So I'm back and I have already tried the deodorant. It feels weird, but I would recommend it. Now we're done with the deodorant. We'll start our toothpaste making.
A benefit of using natural toothpaste is that it naturally kills bacteria without using harmful chemicals.
First, we'll start off by putting 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 5 drops of mint tea. And now we mix. Just like that, you have your own homemade toothpaste.
Alright, now I'm going to try out this homemade toothpaste, which I will be doing outside, so let's go.
Gladly, it actually doesn't smell like baking soda. Let's see how it tastes.
No, you could eat it. You could eat it.
It's good, it's good. It's worth the process.
Lastly, we'll be doing our bentonite face mask. Bentonite can treat poison ivy, it can provide sun protection, and it can aid in weight loss. So we don't actually need the bowl right now, so we'll put that on the side, and we'll start with our mixture. So we need a tablespoon of bentonite clay mask. We have to go fast because metal shouldn't go there. And 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is the clay mask.
Now I'm going to try the bentonite facial mask.
It feels more like less oily and more softer than this side.
The reality is sometimes alternatives are hard to source here.
And even if we do get them, most will be disposed of and ended by our landfills or oceans.
We are trying to do our best with what we have, and that's all we can do because we
never doubt that a small group of thoughtful and committed citizens can change the world.
Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has.
Word to Margaret Mead.